What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna hop in the Ram and head over to B2 Fabrication. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the shop, have you meet Matt, the owner, and he's gonna explain to you guys a little bit about what he does there. And I'm also going to play some sound clips for you guys of the exhaust that I installed on my truck yesterday. If you haven't already seen yesterday's video, make sure you guys click the link in the description below. I will leave a link from yesterday's video of me installing the B2 Fabrication straight pipe on my 2019 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. So basically today's video is going to be a tour of the shop, have you meet Matt, the owner, and he's going to explain to you guys a little bit more about what he does over there. He does a lot of stuff. He doesn't just do exhaust for Rams. He does do them for 2009 to 2018 4th gen Rams with the Hemi. He makes a muffler delete kit for those. And then obviously on the new 2019 Ram, he has a kit for that, which is what we just installed yesterday. He makes 3 different exhausts for these trucks, and I actually have all 3 of them to play with. I went ahead and installed the loudest one, which is the straight pipe, yesterday, and I'm going to later in this video I'm going to play some sound clips of for you guys doing like 0 to 60 pulls, cold starts, in the cab driving, making sure there's not a lot of drone, and basically just give you guys an all-around sound clip video of the straight pipe. Like I said, I will be doing a comparison video between the 3 exhausts that B2 Fabrication does have to offer. Also, make sure you guys click the link in the description below to visit B2 Fabrication's website. And so, let's go ahead and start the Ram up now. Man, that thing sounds good. I'm so glad I went with the straight pipe on this truck. I will be doing other videos on the other exhausts he makes. He makes a MagnaFlow exhaust. He also makes a pipes exhaust, and I will be doing a review on all 3 of these so that you guys can decide which one you guys want to go with. Let's hop in the truck, and I'll see you at the shop. He's just got pipes for days in here. And he's got a speaker bike. Check that out. But yeah, I mean, this shop's super clean. There's no other fab shop I've been to that's this organized and clean. This guy knows what he's doing. Very nice, very reputable, and his products are just top notch. I mean, look at his welds. They're all TIG weld. Very nice products. He takes pride in all his work. I mean, you don't see TIG welding on exhausts like this anywhere else. I mean, Flowmaster, MagnaFlow, I've had them all on my cars. I mean, this guy really does put in some good work, and puts in a lot of time. He does it out of his house too. Like, this is awesome. Back here is where he ships everything out. He's got a whole shipping, basically whole shipping room on where he ships out all your orders. Very nice and organized. Look at all this. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below on his website for you guys to search it and see what else he sells. So yeah, like I mentioned before, this shop's located in Highland, Michigan. He's got an eBay store. I'll put a link in the description below on his eBay store. Also his website, where you guys can reach him to order your exhaust, anything. He's got a whole bunch of stuff on his website. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to check that out. All right, guys, so Matt's going to explain to you guys what he does to build these straight pipes for these rams.
Okay, so basically this is the shape of your factory muffler from here to here. And this is the jig that we build all three of our systems on. So right now we're building the one with the pipes muffler. So we have all these tubes, mandrel bent, they're all made in Michigan. So they just fit on the jig like so. And we have these flanges cut in Michigan too. This one's still kind of hot.
Yeah, this is
but,
the way it's welding.
And it's not welded all the way, but it goes here and there.
This bolts up to the factory exhaust.
This bolts to the factory exhaust, and then we make all these hangers in-house, and these all go to your factory spots on your truck. So,
wow,
you know, that one goes there.
Yeah.
This one goes here. So, and then we TIG weld them here, here, here.
Wow.
So these things are kind of overbuilt. They're super strong. They save some weight, and
they're a lot lighter than the stock exhaust, the stock muffler. Yeah. I noticed that back there. But yeah, this is sweet, guys. Look at this jig he's got built, so that he does all this out of his house. So make sure you guys visit that link below, visit his YouTube channel, and buy one today. I mean, these are great, and the craftsmanship is just amazing. His TIG welds are very, very nice. So I recommend you guys doing this instead of buying like a Flowmaster exhaust or a full system. I mean, honestly, for these Rams, this is all you need. And they look great, they sound great, and yeah, this is great. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you a cold start with the stock exhaust. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so we're going to do a cold start with the B2 Fabrication straight pipe. This is the loudest pipe that they make, so let's see how it sounds. I don't know if you guys can pick up the sound in the video, but hopefully you can. I won't know until I go to edit it, but basically that is how it sounds like here in the cab with the stock exhaust. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna hit it at like a 50-mile-an-hour roll and let it drop down and let you guys hear what the exhaust sounds like from inside the cab. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on this. I really enjoy it, and it's one of the best things you can do to one of these new Rams. Alright guys, so this is going to be 0 to 60 from inside the cab. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Alright guys, so we just got back home, and that's going to complete today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Check out the different videos I have on there. I will be posting more. I have been busy. It's been a busy summer, but I have a lot of stuff planned for you guys, so stay tuned for all that. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace!